The Roomside Series from NuTone is a new patent-pending series of mid-range ventilation fans. The Roomside Series gives you the flexibility to handle new construction and roomside retrofit installation from one hardworking product line.
With the most versatile line covering various CFM and SON levels, lighting options, ENERGY STAR compliant models, and decorative designs, you can meet all installation needs when moderate price points matter. Foldable mounting ears allow the fan to be used in both new construction and retrofit installations. For new construction, use the ears to attach to the ceiling structure. In a retrofit, fold the ears back to slide the housing into the ceiling hole, then attach to the structure through the housing wall.
Because installation processes can vary, the Roomside line comes with a removable flange.
The easy duct connector can be installed from room side with no need for attic access. New damper technology provides a tighter seal and helps to reduce cold and warm air backdraft.
In fact, Roomside fans reduce air leakage by up to 50% compared to competitive models, resulting in better home performance via blower door test. Whatever the job, new construction or retrofit, the Roomside series from NuTone offers an easy, versatile solution.